Last week, uploaded a video, Intelligent Parking Assist for Toyota Alphard and Wellfire. And today, I'm going to cover PARKTRONIC with Active Parking Assist from the Mercedes. Let's go. Okay, parking space is ready, car is ready. Camera, one over here, and another one over here. To activate the parking assist, the switch is over here. Then drive forward to search. You can't backward, so there's no space here. Let me go backward first. Okay. This is the parking spot. Okay, now, drive forward to search for parking. Let's drive forward. It's searching. Now it prompts you there's a parking here. Click on it. Then engage reverse gear. Engage the reverse gear. It signals itself and it turns itself. Be ready to brake. So my foot is tapped on the brake pedal to control the speed. Okay, stop. Okay, now he's shifting D automatically, from reverse to D automatically. I don't have to do anything, just apply the brakes. Okay, reverse now. Forward. It's trying to align nicely. Parking assist finish. Then you can off to go. If you're using parking assist to park at the spot, when you're coming out, you can use the parking assist to come out from the parking. It only works when you used to park in previously. Now I'm at P, apply the brakes, press the parking assist button. It will prompt me whether you want to go to the left or to the right. If I choose to the right, now it asks me to engage to reverse. Now we are coming out from the parking. It will prompt me when it's changing the gear. Once it's done, it asks you to hold the steering wheel. Done. We are good to go. How about if you prefer to parking by reverse in instead of moving forward. Let's try. Alright, moving forward. Activate the parking assist and go forward. I want to park over here. Let's see how good is the sensor. This one. But I want to demo how to do the reverse parking. If I go further, now I click this. Now it's a reverse parking. Never mind, I just tap on this. You can choose forward or reverse. Okay, now I choose reverse. Shift to R. It will automatically signal to the left. Now let's go. Oops, stop. It will automatically apply the brakes for me actually. Done. Okay, now going out, press the parking assist button. Now I want to go to the right. Just right. Shift to D. Let's go. It actually will automatically apply the brakes for me. But you have to always be ready because it's only assist you. Okay, done. Hold the steering wheel. Wait, it's not finished yet. There's another one, the parallel parking. Just like what I did previously. Arrange the car and the camera. Okay, car arrangement done. Now is the camera. Okay, moving forward, activate the parking assist, searching for parking space. Let's see, actually there's two parking spaces, one is on the left and one is on the right. I wish to park at the right, which is the parallel parking, which I want to show you now. Yeah, I found one here. I keep moving forward. There's another one. Okay. Choose this one, shift to reverse. Okay, now let's go. Done. Now I want to exit. Press again. As usual, in order to use the assist parking to exit the parking space, you need to make sure that you're parking the same spot, the same place using the parking assist. If you park it yourself and when you exit, you can't use it. Okay, now exit space. D. Okay, automatically signal to the left. Okay, Done. Alright, done. Everything are in place now. Yeah, it's quite tiring. So, Mercedes PARKTRONIC with active parking assist. This is how you use it. For the intelligent parking assist for the Toyota Alphard or Wildfire, you can check my video here. Thank you.